Okay, ready? Let us start. Let us start with our journey today, and this is all about. Wait for a minute. Okay, this is all about our journey regarding circles. We're going to read about circles, right? Okay. So, who can give a proper definition of circle?
Can I?
Yes.
Sir, can I?
Yes, yes. One, please. Anyone, quick. Anyone, please. So, what is this circle? Circle is nothing. It's a simple curve, simple closed curve. I have told you earlier that it's a curve. You know, curve are of four types. What is that? Simple curve, closed curve, then what?
Open.
Open curve, simple closed curve.
Simple.
This is a simple closed curve. You know why? Why does simple close? Because it doesn't cross each other. Suppose you take 8. It's a curve, but it crosses with itself only. That's why it is not a simple one. It's a closed curve. But simple closed curve means it does not cross itself. That's why circle is
Sir, in circle there are no intersecting lines.
not about line. It is about the picture itself. Look, 8. This is a curve which is intersecting itself. Okay? Getting? Or you can say infinity. It's crossing, it's intersecting with itself. That's why, that's why it is not a simple curve. It's a closed curve, but not simple one. Simple means which does not cross or intersect with itself. Then that is called a simple curve. Simple closed curve. Okay, what is closed curve? What is open curve? Open curve means S is an open curve. Yes or no? S is an example of open curve, but 8 is an example of closed curve. This is closed curve. This is also a closed curve. Yes or no? We can say this is also a closed curve. Anything can be closed curve. Closed means there is no starting point, there is no ending point. Then that is called a closed curve. Yes or no? But open means it has two ends. It has two ends. This is starting point, this is ending point, or this is starting point, this is ending point. Then this is called open curve. And this is closed curve. This is also called closed curve because it is closed. It has a definite boundary around itself. This is closed. So what is simple close? Simple close means which does not intersect with each other. This one, they does not cross each other. But here, this 8 and infinity, they cross itself. That's why it is called what? Only closed curve, but not simple one. Circle is a simple closed curve. Now clear? Is it clear to you, all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let us move to next one. So what do you mean by circle? Circle is, oh, just a minute. Circle is nothing. It's a geometrical shape. It's a geometrical shape. Is there no? We all know about circle. Yes. And very important thing about circle is that there is something inside this. There is something inside this, right? Where from this point, all the points of circle, all the points of circle are at equal distance. Yes or no? You does not find this feature with anything else. Suppose you take a rectangle. Suppose you take a rectangle. Can you find a point from where everything is same? Suppose I take a point here. From here it is suppose 5 degree, 5 centimeter. It is must be 7 centimeter. Yes or no? By looking you can see. Only circle is an object, or you can say is an image in geometry where all points are equidistant from the center. There is no other picture available in geometry. Only circle is that, right? Got it? So circle is nothing. Circle is a simple closed curve, all of whose points are at the same distance from a fixed point in a plane, and that fixed point is known as center. Or you can say, you all remember, shall I write? Or you will remember? Circle is a simple closed curve.
Sir, we will remember.
Yes, you write to take a note of that also. Circle is a simple closed curve all of whose points are, all of whose points means which are on the circle. These points are on the circle. All of whose points are at an equal distance from a fixed point. This point is fixed, right? And it is on a plane. It is on a plane. Now it is clear to you? Any doubts? Okay. So it is all about
No.
circle. Very good. Let us go to define the components of a circle. What are the components of a circle? That is highly essential for us. Without knowing which we cannot progress further. So the first one we will say is, the first one is this one. This point, the fixed
The
point is
center.
known as center. Very important thing. The first point is known as center, right? This is center. This is center. This point is center. This is the fixed point from which all the points of a circle are at a distance or at a fixed distance. Clear? All of clear? Okay. Now when center comes, this comes. What is this? The circle itself. This is the circle. Yes or no?
Circumference.
Yes. The outer part of the circle is known as its circumference. We can say there is another part that is come is circumference. Circumference. What do you mean by circumference? Circumference is the outer part of the circle. Now you are clear? The fixed point is known as center and the outer part is known as circumference. Okay. Now the part which joins the fixed point and the circle and the points on the circle is known as, what is this?
Radius.
Very good. It is
Radius.
called radius. It is called radius. What do you mean by radius? Radius is, what is this? Is it a ray or a straight line or a line segment? Sorry?
Segment. Line segment.
Yes, it is a line segment because it has got two ends, starting point and this ending point. It cannot go beyond that. It cannot go beyond the center. It cannot go out of this circumference. Okay. If it goes, we will have a different name to that. So for this point up to this much, what do you call? We call this.
Sir, I cannot.
Yes.
Sir, I cannot see your screen, sir.
Yeah. Everyone can see. I think. Do one thing. Log out and log in again. Okay, now clear? So what is radius? Radius is the shortened distance or the distance between center and a point on the circle. On the circle. Now clear? Okay, very good. There are so many circles. There are so many radiuses. Who can tell me how many radius are there in a circle? How many radius are there in a circle? Can anyone tell me? How many circles? How
Sir,
many?
infinite.
Yes, we cannot count it because the points are infinite. The points on the circle is infinite. So we can say every point is connected to and it is its radius. So the number of radius is infinite. We cannot count it. It is infinity or infinite we can say. Right? Okay, very good. Okay, next we will draw another one. We will see one more thing over here. Right. So,
Can you hear me?
yes, yes. Can you see now? Usman, can you see the screen now? Hello? Can you see the screen now? Okay. Now the thing is that there's so many radiuses. Many radiuses are there here. So many radiuses.
Yes, sir.
One radius, second radius, third radius, fourth radius. Like this, so many radiuses are there. Okay. Now let us take a radius. Let us take a radius. Let us take a radius. Let us take two radius. Let us take two radius. What are they? Suppose this is O. We call it O, right? We call it O. If the angle between two radius becomes 180 degree, then what they will become? There's so many angles. Look, this is an angle, this is an angle, this is an angle between the. But if the angle between these two, suppose this is A, this is B. Now the angle between AOB is equal to 180 degree. Then what AB? AB is what? Then what is AB? Okay. If it is 180 degree, it is a line. It's a line. Yes or no? It's a straight line. But it has got two definite points, starting point and ending point. So it's a line segment, and this is called diameter. This is called diameter. Now is it clear to you? Is it clear to you now? So this is diameter. Diameter means if you take two radius with whose angular
Sir,
measurement
can I
is,
tell diameter definition?
yeah, I've defined, don't worry. Diameter is nothing but it is there are two radius whose angle is 180 degree. Then they become part of a line, and that's why we call it a diameter. Is it clear to you first? What is radius? What is diameter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, look, there are so many diameters, but can we draw? Suppose so many points are over here. There is one point here, there is one point here. We can connect these points to this, so we call it radius. But there is a boy or there is a girl who says, no, no, sir, I will not connect to this one. I will connect to these 2 points. Which 2 points? This point to this point. मैं उधर नहीं जाऊंगा. I don't talk to this friend. वो से मेरा बातचीत नहीं है. I don't talk to O. I am fighting with O. Then, so this is C and D. What do you call C and D? What do you call CD? Everything forgotten? This is called chord. Yes or no? What is chord? Chord means chord is a line segment which joins any 2 points. Any 2 points on the surface of the circle. Or you can say any 2 points of a circle. Right? Are you getting? So you can take here 2 points here also. So it will be the shortest one. बहुत छोटा सा होगा. Very short one. You can join here someone. This one. And do you know which is the biggest chord? Which is the biggest chord? Or you can say longest one in length. Which is longest? Who can tell me? If you take these 2 points, it is somehow shorter than diameter. Again, shorter than diameter. Shorter than diameter. Shorter than diameter. Diameter is the largest chord. We can say diameter is the largest chord in a circle. Do you know why? Because these 2 points are exactly 180 degree to each other. So, and it passes through center. So that chord which passes through center is called diameter. This is and the definition of diameter. So diameter has two definitions. It has got two definitions. One is taking radius, and second is taking chord. Now clear? How can you define diameter? We can define diameter in one way, that is one way we can say it is the longest, it is the longest chord in a circle, longest chord in a circle, right? And second definition is we have discussed earlier. What is that? That is if the angle between two radius is 180 degree, angle between two radius is 180 degree, then the two radius is equal to 2r, that is equal to diameter. That's equal to a diameter. Now clear? 2r means what? R plus r, 2r is equal to a diameter. Now clear? How can we define diameter? Taking radius and taking chords. Is it clear to everyone? So who can tell me what's a chord? What's a chord? Chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle is called the chord of a circle. Yes or no? Are you getting? Are you getting? What's a
Yes,
chord? Chord is nothing but it's a line segment. Chord is a line segment, right? Whose endpoints lie on the circle. Are you clear? Or you can say a line segment, or we can say a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. is called a chord. Is it clear to you all? Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So we can take this as a chord. We can take this as a chord.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, we can take this as a chord. We can take this as a
Sir,
chord.
sir, excuse,
Yes. Yes, click.
sir. But my teacher told that a chord is a
Yes.
line segment who join the
Yeah.
2 points.
Yes. That's the same thing. Arey, who join 2 points on the circle or its endpoints are on the circle? Is it not same?
Yes, sir.
Is it not same? If someone says its endpoints are on the circle or it joins 2 points on a circle, is it not same? Yes or no? Are you clear? Are you clear, Sweta? So
Yes, sir.
the longest chord is called the diameter. The longest chord is called the diameter. Now are you clear about this? What is chord and what is diameter? Chord and diameter. Are you clear both about this? Okay. Now let us move to another page and there you will find another thing very interesting. Is the class very interesting? Or you feel, sir, only teaching, no more joking? We will not come to the class from tomorrow. Is it like that? Is it like that?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we will do one more thing. We will learn about one more thing, that is second. What is called a new topic has come, that is second. What do you mean by a second? Can you tell me what do you mean by second? Yes, anyone. It's just like chord only. It's just like chord, but the difference is very simple difference. The simple difference is, suppose there is a straight line. Suppose there is a straight line. Yes or no? Suppose this straight line. It crosses through when it intersects the circle. When it intersects the circle at 2 points, at 2 points, right? Then this is called as second of the circle. It is called the, so is it called second same or not? Yes or no? We can say AB. AB is a chord. Yes or no? We have read earlier. AB is a chord. But if chord is defined to this point only, chord cannot proceed. But if chord proceeds in both the directions, then that is called second. Now are you clear? Clear about second and chord? Are you clear? So we can write AB is a chord, but L1 we can say, or AB straight line, when it comes straight line, then it is called a second. Now clear? Good. Very good. So we have studied so many new terms and terminologies. Right. Now we will go to next one. We'll find out more thing, that is, suppose this is a circle. Suppose this is a complete circle. Right? Okay. Now let us let us draw a what you can say. Okay. Let us draw a chord over here. Suppose whose birthday is in this month? I forget to write your dates today. Please inform me. Whose birthday is this month? In this month? Hello, I'm not getting you people.
Yes, sir.
Whose birthday is in this month or maybe next month, November? No one's. In December, January? Is there anyone whose birthday in December and January?
No, sir.
Nothing. February, March? No one is there. No one birthday
No.
is there. I expected a
I don't
cake.
know.
Okay, April, May. Is there anyone's birthday in April, May? Yes, please. Don't worry, don't worry. We will not come to your home. You just let me know. Okay, maybe it's someone's birthday, your friend's birthday. Okay, take my birthday. Okay, it's my birthday this month, October, right? So you all bring a big pizza for me like this. Corona is no more, so you brought a big pizza for me, right? Okay, now I alone cannot eat everything. So what I did, I cut it from this point. I cut it from this point, right? Okay. Now a circle has been divided into two parts. Yes or no? It is like this. One part is like this, and the part is like this. Agree? Okay. Now what I will call to these two parts, suppose it's part one and part two. What I will call to these two parts? Yes. Array, if it is a full, it is circle. If I take a part, what I will call to this part and this part? Semicircle.
Sir, half circle.
No, it is semicircle. I have not made it exactly half. That's why I have told you that I put the chord here. I put the chord here knowingly. Half is different. Is it looking half to you, both the sides, both the parts? Is it half? 50-50? No, that's what it's called semicircle. It's called semicircle. Yes, when it will be half circle, when it will be half circle, you can say, hmm, anyone?
Sir, a half circle is a circle.
Okay, okay. You become confused. The thing is that,
Sir, the half
yes, yes,
circle are the
yes. That is why I just want to check you people. If I put it here, if I put it here, it will divide the circle exactly into two parts. Exactly into two parts. And that is called semicircle. That is called semicircle. Do you understand now? Semicircle means if a circle is divided equally into two parts,
Yes, sir.
that is called a semicircle. You don't remember anything? We have discussed all the things over there. Yes or no? But you people don't remember. Now this is semicircle, this is semicircle. Now do you understand? It's like a biscuit. Suppose mom give a biscuit, you divide it into equal two parts. Then what do you call? We call half 1/2, call 1/2. Then this is called semicircle. This is also called a semicircle. Now clear? Got it? Okay. So we learned about
Yes, sir.
semicircle. Now let us take another circle and we will find one thing. Suppose this is circle, right? Okay. Now what we will do? I want, suppose this is a ring ball. You see ring ball? Do you play ring ball in schools? I think ring balls in schools. Suppose you're playing, but it got, you know, it got cut or it got, fragmented by two parts. One part here, one part there. What we'll call to this part?
arc,
Yes, this is O, this is A, B. Now here I will C and here will D, D. Then now we have two parts. What is that? A, D, B. We will do like this. And we have another part that is A, C, B. Like this only. Now do you understand? A, C, B is here. From here to here is called ACB. And ADB means यहाँ से यहाँ तक हमें मिलेगा AB. ADB. Now clear? And upper to this, we have to put this arc symbol means half circle symbol. Are you clear now? Getting? So this is called arc. This is called arc. And how can you define this? We will define this in two arcs. One A, middle में जो point होगा ना D, middle मतलब anywhere. You have to take two, polar points, end points, and one middle point. Then we can write ADB, then upper this arc symbol, and SCB, and an arc symbol. Now it's clear to you? Getting? Okay. So this is known as arc. This is known as arc. We can say write ADB arc. We can read like this. Or you can say SCB arc. We can read like this. Okay. Very good. Okay. One more thing. Suppose now a friend of arc has come. Who is friend of arc? Who can tell me? Who is friend of arc who has come to meet arc?
sir. Can I
Yes.
tell sector?
No. Look. What is this? Arc is defined by two
Sir,
points.
chord.
Arc is defined by 2 points. Now
Sir,
let us
chord.
join this. अगर हम इसको join कर लेते हैं, then what will become it? It's a
Sir,
chord.
sorry, sir. Segment.
It's become a chord. Now a chord has come, and this is an arc. Now clear? This is an arc, and this is a chord.
Sir, no segment.
Now, what we will call to this region or this area? Who can say? Now I have got two areas or two parts of our cake or our pizza. My pizza has been cut into so many small parts. I will not eat it now. You have to eat it. Now, what we'll call
Sir,
it? It is
sector.
called, yes.
Sir,
What we call
sector.
this? No, it is called segment. We call it
Sec-
segment. This is also a segment. This is also a segment. Okay. Now, one is big, one is small. So what we call it? We call it minor segment. We call it minor segment. And this is a bigger one. So it is called major segment. It is called major segment. Now clear? What you learn here? We learn here arc. Now when an arc is combined with a chord, this is divided into two regions, two equal two parts, and that part is known as, if it is small and big, then they are called major segment, and minus. Major is for bigger one and minor is for the smaller region. Clear? Or any doubt? Anyone has any doubts that I can explain it again? Clear? Okay. Now I will go to another topic that is very interesting topic. Okay, look. Now again same thing happened. Now what we have? We have got an arc here. Suppose you take this much. But A, B, suppose D, suppose C. Now what happens? Here also we have the arc. What are the arcs? There is A, D, B arc, and this is A, C, D. Two arcs are there. Now instead of making a chord, now chord has got fighting with arc. Chord says, no, no, I will not become friend with you. I'm going to my place. If chord has gone, then the new two friends has come. A become friends with O and B become friend with O. Then what happens? AO and OB become friends with ADB. Now clear? So what is this? What is this? Radius. This is a radius. Listen, no, this is radius. This is a radius. Now what happens? Now we've got a different region. हमें क्या मिला? Different region हमें. We got our pizza into this way. In birthday we cut cake like this. Yes or no? I don't cut. Do you people celebrate birthday? Any of you? Any of you celebrate birthday by cutting cake like this? Hurry up, tell here.
Sir,
We will
I
not ask you.
celebrate.
You celebrate? Okay, very good. So, do you think only celebrating, cutting cake, all the things is better, or spending that money for giving some valuable things to the poor and the needy people? What is better? Spending money at home with.
Sir, giving some valuable money
Yes.
to
Look,
poor
you
or
are.
needy
Yes,
people.
you are inviting those friends who has enough to eat. Yes or no? You are inviting those people to your
Sir,
to.
or we can
So I
also
mean
give
to
a
say,
piece of cake to the poor people.
yes, do one thing on your birthday onwards, today onwards, if there is a birthday, do one thing. Instead of inviting those people who have enough to eat, give that money and give some food or some cloth to those people who are in real need. It would be a great service for them. And at least plant two trees on your every birthday, right? So it will give a healthy environment and it will create a healthy society. Okay, good. Now, can you see earlier what we did? When it was sector, how was it? When it was sector, what we were? We had separate things. What was that? We had this, and it was here, and it was this. Sector was, this was a sector. Now clear? Now here, what we call this region, this is called what? This is called sector. And this was, हमने क्या बोला था इसको? What we had said, segment. इसको क्या बोला था हमने? Segment. Now clear? This is minor segment, this is major segment. Like that, this is minor sector and this has become major sector. Major sector. Are clear now? This is minor, that is major. Is it clear to you all? What the difference between segment and sector? Are you clear? What's the difference between a sector and segment?
Yes, sir.
Segment means when the circle is divided by a chord, then that is creating two segments. But when the circle is divided by taking two radiuses, by taking two radius into consideration, then this region is called a sector. I'm giving a formula to you. How can you remember? देखो, radius has come, so R and R, here it is R. Now can you remember what is radius? When radius comes, sector comes. Yes or no? When chord comes, segment comes. Now RR has some relationship. Radius comes, then it is called sector. Now other two chord आएगा तो segment हो जाएगा, that will automatically. Are you clear? So radius and sector. When radius comes, radius divides the entire circle into two parts. That is called sector. Okay, if the radius becomes a straight line, what will happen? Suppose this is a circle. Now the radius after coming this angle, now the radius both becomes straight line. Then what we call it? What do you call these regions? Semicircles. Yes or no? We call it semicircles, right? So are you clear? Segment, we have got minor segment, major segment, and when this is radius plus arc, that is sector, and this is major sector, and that is minor sector. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Now let us go for some more inputs. So this is circle. Now we have got center point here. Good. Okay, now I have a point here, P. I have another point here, G. I have another point here, B. Now, yesterday we studied about this regarding triangle and quadrilateral. What I can say? Where is P? Where is P, Z, and B according to the region of circle? Yes. Where is
Sir,
P?
can I tell?
Don't ask. Just
Sir,
tell. Where is
sir,
P?
P is in the Sir, P is in the exterior
Don't
of the
say in.
circle.
In means
Z is
inside.
in the
Look. In means inside. P is at the exterior. Z is in the interior, and
interior and
P
B
is
is
on the
on
circle.
the
So if
circumference.
it is inside, say in the region of the circle,
So can we also
interior,
say that
it is
B
said
is on the
yes. We have to say
circumference?
on the circumference instead of spelling circumference, you can say on the circle. Circle means circumference. This is called circle. This part is called interior part of circle. Yes or no? And this part is called outer exterior of a circle. These are exterior of a circle. So three things: exterior, interior, and on the circle. On the circle. Now clear? The three things what we have studied over here. So P is at the exterior, Z is inside, and B is on the circle. Now clear? The three regions of circle. Is it clear to you all? Okay. Now finally we will go. We will draw two circles. Suppose here is a circle. Now his friend has come. His friend has come. He says, Arya, tu jahan rahe, मैं भी वहां पर रहूंगा. I will stay with you only. Okay, now come. But what he says, my radius is somehow more bigger. Then you see, both have the same center. The circle has both have the same center. Then what do you call it? We call it concentric circles. We call it concentric circles. Now clear? Concentric means both having same circle, same center. We can have many other circle, other also. This can be also having the same. This can be a circle having the same center. So we can have many circles. Suppose this its radius is 3 centimeter. This radius may be 4 centimeter. Its radius may be 6 centimeter. This radius may be 10 centimeter. But all the center are one. That's why All the circles are said to be concentric circles. Now is it clear to you all? All of you? Ready? Is there any doubt with you people? Is there any doubt? I think no, because we have studied everything
No,
in
sir.
proper manner. Okay, let
No,
us
sir.
revise once, then I will stop. Let us revise it once more. What you studied today, so that it will help you. It will help you to revise. Number one. First of all, first we read what is a circle. Clear? Second, we read about radius. We studied about radius. Third, we studied about diameter. Studied about diameter. Number four, what I studied? Studied about chord. Studied about chord. Then five, we studied about second. Second of a circle. Six, what we studied? We studied about semicircle. Okay. Seven, what we studied? We read about arc. Eight, we read about segment. Okay, segment has been divided to two parts. What is that? One is major, another is minor. Nine, we studied about what? Sector.
Center.
Sector. It is also same. It is major sector and one is minor sector, right? Then we studied about three things. What is that? Interior, exterior, and on the circle. And finally, we studied about concentric circles. And finally, we studied about what is that? Concentric circles. Is it clear to you all now? We've studied this much of information and data within this short span of 30 to 40 minutes. So this is very, very helpful for all of you. I'm going to upload the video also today so that if you have any doubt, if you have not taken the note, please take the note, read it properly, because today I will send the question to you right now, because I have given you all data about geometry. This is part 2 of geometry. Yesterday I gave it was part 1 and today it is part 2. I'm going to upload it right now, means it will take half an hour. After that it will be available to you people. You can watch it. If you want, you can also send it to others. There is no restriction for
Sir,
that.
can I tell? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
today can I tell